Hi everyone, I am here with a happy mail and a small haul from a place called Newton's Nook Designs. It's an online store and they have cute items and so I bought some things on clearance mostly. I think there were a couple things not on clearance and I'll let you know what those. I'll let you know all the prices I paid. And I got free shipping, so yay. This is from Martha Makes Art. Hi, Martha. Thank you so much. Beautiful colors. I love purple and green together. And I can't show you the front of the envelope. Yeah, I did. I forgot to cover the address, but look at the inside of this envelope and the card. Oh my gosh. I may have to use this, and it looks like it came that way. But I may be opening that up and using it as a piece of paper because it's absolutely stunning. And then this beautiful peacock, she must have seen my peacock video. What was that for? Anyway, oh, for embellishments on the 11th. I had a peacock. In fact, I still have that here. I haven't used it. It's right there. These are my embellishments I made that I'm going to be using for something soon. So yay. And then inside, she's basically thanking me for entering her giveaway. Aw, thank you, Martha. 2024, Martha Makes Art. Yes, beautiful card and envelope that I'm probably going to repurpose. And actually, this would look really nice in my purple, what I call my purple journal, which I'm not using yet. I'm still in my yellow spring one. So she sent, these are stickers. The cute bee. I'm going to put that, I have a basket out with bee stuff in that I want to get to eventually. Beautiful flowers. More beautiful flowers, and forgive me, I don't know what kind of flowers all these are. These look like peonies though to me, but I could be wrong. And these look like maybe roses with something else. I'm not sure. This is a tulip. I got that one down. It's an unusual one though. Cool. Sort of looks like a tiger. Oh, I like kitties, so you know. And this is hydrangea. I'm guessing tulip, and I'm not 100% sure on that one. I was going to say dahlia because dahlias come in different forms, but I don't think it is. Maybe a magnolia. I don't know. Anyway, thank you so much, Martha. I really appreciate your lovely card and note. And I had a lot of fun joining in your um, birthday. It was a birthday challenge, right? She said, yes, her birthday challenge. She had quite a few entries. So yay for her. All right, so now let me bring up Newton's Nook, which came bubble wrapped with this cute little kitty sticker. And then it all came like this, wrapped in yellow twine, which I just pulled off, which of course I will repurpose. It's sort of a honey colored yellow, so I will use that. And I guess I'll just go down in order here. So this is called Penguin Pile. It was on clearance for $2.79. I like penguins. My son likes penguins. Says, I like chilling with you, piles of warm winter wishes. And then we have a little ice patch and then 3 penguins piled up. Isn't that cute? So for $2.79, yeah, I got it. And it was designed by Jennifer Jackson. Photopolymer made in the USA. Appropriate for this weekend. So then this one is, what is this called? Something to do with harvest. Captivated. Autumn Newton. An Autumn Newton die set. I think that's what. Newton is the cat. You know how like, well, never mind. So the cat in the leaf pile, the cat with the pumpkins and the haystack thing. Hope your autumn is a pile of fun. I love that. Fall breeze, autumn leaves. Fall is like my favorite season, except that it has the knowledge that winter is following, which is not good for me. I don't mind the cold so much, but the shoveling of the snow is, I'm getting old now, you know, it's hard to shovel again, but I do it. Be thankful, harvest blessings, and this kitty is asleep in the pile of gourds and apples and pumpkins and stuff. And there's a little bird there too, which I don't know if you can see. There we go. These feel nice and thick, and then I did get the dies to go with it. So Autumn Harvest was not on sale. Autumn Newton was $15.99. These might have been new items, and Autumn Newton die set was $22.99. So those were regular price. Um, but I think they're the only things I got that were regular price, so I'll set them here. Okay, next up we have the Captivated Kittens. Captivated Kittens and Captivated Kitten die set. So the stamp set was $6.99 and the dies were $4.99, which I didn't think is a bad price. These were on clearance. So the kitten here with a bee and a little flower, they're looking up into the flower. Be happy, capture happy moments. This one has a net. I guess he's catching butterflies because there's butterflies around. But the net landed on him or her instead. I keep missing you. Chase your dreams could be good for that. And then this one, meows it going with a little dragonfly. Just adorable little kittens. You know I'm a cat person, right? You know. Okay, and then I got a gnome garden and gnome garden die set. Now, because these were clearance, not all stamp sets there had, like the penguins, I don't think had a die set available anymore. Or maybe it never did, I don't know, but that's okay. I can use it in an oval or whatever. So Gnome Garden was $5.99 and the die set was $4.99. So 6 and 5, $11 for both isn't bad. And we have a gnome holding a flower and a gnome sitting on a mushroom with a butterfly. There's gnome one like you. Little flower, little butterfly, little ladybug. Thanks. You know me so well. Life's better in the garden. A little flower. No one deserves a better birthday than you. And the little gnome with his garden basket, wheelbarrow with flowers and stuff in it. So just cute. And the dies. The dies cut out the gnome, the flowers, that's another flower on a stem, and the little snail. Oh, this is a flower and a butterfly. The flower, the butterfly, the snail, and this flower, plus the three main characters. So yay. So that was that one, and then I got Kitten Beach. Now see, oh, this one I think does have, yep, this one had the dies too. So same thing, $5.99, $4.99 for the dies. So that would be, what did I say? 6 and 5, $11. And this is called Kitten Beach. Have a perfect day. You can use that not just for the beach, but here's a kitty playing in this with a sand bucket, with a little shovel and a crab. There's a clamshell up here. You are clawsome, I guess for the crab. Kitty on the beach chair. It looks like it's about ready to collapse or something. Happy as a clam. Sending you a sunny smile. And here we have a sand castle. The kitty's sort of under the sand castle. Seashell with him there, or her. Looks cute. Has to be a her. No, I'm kidding. Clamshell and a little starfish. So just adorable. If you like kitties like I do, Newton's Nook might be the place for you. And then I got two stencils. This one is the birdhouse. Where is it? Birdhouse line stencil. They don't have a picture on here, but the picture on the website, I don't know. It does. You do it in steps. So like you would do this first, and I don't. Let me take it out of the thing. I thought it was kind of cool, actually. might be easier if I take it out with backing because the black there, you can see it better. And then you can see what I got next. So what you do is you do like the post and the roof first, but it has a little picture of the next part that you're going to see. And then the next part, you color in what was missing here, the body of the birdhouse. And then on this one, you color in the holes and the birds. But you can tell where it goes because there's images on here. So I thought I'd give that a try. I don't have anything like that. And of course, I'm into birds and birdhouses. So I have two birdhouses. They're supposed to be bluebird houses, but I have sparrows or something living in them this year. It's okay. I'm happy to have any birdies. Actually, after this season, I need to get out there and clean them out because one is so full of nesting material, it's pulling apart from the pole and they're still in there. And then I got this one. Okay, this was $6.99. I don't know if this one wasn't on clearance. This one was. This is just called Spiderweb Stencil, and it was $2.79. And I think you can see that. I think I do have another spider web, but it's not all wavy like this one. I love using stencils because they're fairly inexpensive and you can get so many cool backgrounds with them. Plus, if I remember correctly, I haven't done this yet, you can use them with your jelly plate, which I hope to do sometime soon. Yeah. So anyway, that is what I got from Newton's Nook. I hope you enjoyed my little haul. I will be back with another haul. And thank you to Martha for your beautiful card you sent me. And you're quite welcome. I had a lot of fun, making things for you. So I'm sending you some goodies. So, okay. So thank you very much, everyone, for watching. And I will talk to you again very soon. Hugs, love, and peace.